Hello and welcome to a brand new episode of Opinion Matters with me Pranay Manyar. In this episode we'll be talking about two things. The first being the naval exercise being held between US Navy and Indian Navy and the geopolitical shift which we have witnessed in the past 50 years in the Indo-Pacific region. So let's get started. So what is this naval exercise being held between the Indian Navy and American Navy? This exercise is called the PASX exercise or the passing exercise. This particular exercise takes place between the US Navy and a navy of a friendlier country. This particular exercise is being held off the coast of Andaman and Nicobar Islands, and the world's largest aircraft carrier, that is the USS Nimitz, is being a part of it. USS Nimitz can carry up to 90 aircraft, which include F-18 fighter jets and Seahawk helicopters. This particular naval exercise is being conducted in order to send a message to China that any sort of misbehavior by them during the Ladakh dispute or the Ladakh standoff could lead to a full-on escalation and lead to direct involvement of United States in the dispute or in the standoff. So why is that American Navy and Indian Navy are conducting a naval exercise off the coast of Andaman Nicobar Islands on the sea, whereas the standoff is on the northern border in Ladakh at the LOC? The main reason to this is the narrow choke point called Strait of Malacca. Strait of Malacca is a narrow passage of water between the Indian Ocean and the Pacific Ocean, which connects the two major water bodies. This particular choke point or the Strait of Malacca is an important trade route for China, as 2/3 of China's energy imports pass through this route, and most of China's exports to Middle East, Africa and Europe pass through this particular narrow choke point. Andaman and Nicobar Islands, situated very close to Strait of Malacca, can be used to blockade the strait in order to cut off China's oil supplies and cut off exports of China to the rest of Europe, Africa and Middle East. As we know that China is an export-based economy, and its economy runs on exporting goods to countries in Middle East, Africa and Europe. The blockage of the strait could lead to devastating economic impacts on China. Last time we saw America conducting PASX exercise in Indian territorial waters was back in the 1971 war, when US Navy sent the USS Enterprise Carrier Strike Group in the Bay of Bengal in order to help Pakistan fight the 1971 war and prevent India from escalating the issue. So what has happened in the past 50 years that US deployed its aircraft carrier in order to help India fight an enemy rather than help India's enemy fight the war against India. What has happened that India's relationship with US has turned from hostility to a strategic partnership? Let me explain. Since the economic reforms of India in 1991, US has been investing billions of dollars in the Indian economy, as US sees a lot of scope in the Indian economy. As a result, India has been spending billions of dollars in order to modernize its military and counter its enemy. This has given a slight parity towards China in terms of military. As a result, US is slowly abandoning its relationship with Pakistan and leaning towards India, as US sees India a counter to China and a counterweight to China's influence in the Indo-Pacific. The whole geopolitical shift in this region could be boiled down to one statement given by Henry Kissinger, who was the former Secretary of State of United States under President Nixon. He quoted that no country has permanent friends. Every country has interests, and these interests keep changing according to the changes in the geopolitical and political scenario across the world. This could be the main reason that US has become very close to India and is keen on developing a strategic partnership with India so that they can counter China's influence in the region and protect its own allies like Japan, South Korea, Singapore, Philippines from China's rising expansionist policy. So this is where I conclude this video. Until then, keep asking the right questions, keep seeking the right answers. This is me Pranay Manyar from the 21st Talks. अब हम बोलेंगे. जय हिंद.